Key industry trends is, I think, first instance, what John was just mentioning, you need to work on your assets during the holding period. As we are long-term investors, we're following up specific strategies for each individual property we own, and we have the funds to reinvest, to extend, to refurbish, and to make it adequate to the market. I think that's the first point. So we're not explicitly worried about any, like, let's say, future threat, whether it's the internet. It's a matter of what is your strategy against, or just to use it to make a better benefit for the customer in the shopping center. I think that's the first point. And I think that you need an explicit asset management focus on that. I think at the end of the day, you will have to make the distinction between those shopping centers who will provide convenience, i.e. for the people who need to shop, who need to fulfill their daily needs, or you provide experience. And this comes along with a lot of different offer, not only shopping, but also entertainment and restaurants, etc. So I think that's the main industry trends, or, like I say, also property trends. And I think, like, our investment focus will be either the one or the other one. So.
Well, of course, the key, whatever location we are looking at, we are investing in. I mean, also coming back a little bit to the words also, Joe, what for us is always the key, next to, let's say, the right project fundamentals, it's being relevant to the customer. Because, of course, if you want to improve a location, if you see an opportunity to invest in a location has maybe a lack of maintenance, as you were correctly arguing. If we feel that the location can be relevant, then it makes sense to work on it. And then making also the link to online. I mean, what for us is the key with online, Henrike also already mentioned it, for us, if you look at long-term threats, it's more like what's happening in the demography, it's population trends, it's aging, etc. Online, internet, I mean, in that sense, our opinion is as follows. I mean, we went 2,000 years ago, basically, we had shopping areas, buying areas like Forum Romanum. About 500, 600 years ago, we had the Grand Bazaar in Istanbul. Today we have shopping centers, and I'm pretty sure, looking to the Jetsons family, we will also have shopping centers, or, let's say, buying locations in the future. But of course, looking to the online, that goes together. I mean, relevance in physical terms. We have all our smartphone, we have all our iPad, we have all our things. Retail goes hand in hand with online. Shopping center goes hand in hand in online as well. I mean, we can discuss about nice experiments, key trends, etc. But, looking to the marketing, looking to, let's say, the offer, what does the shopping center offer? Looking also to making the visit to a shopping center more comfortable, like finding parking in parking garages, etc. That increasingly has an online and offline dimension. And when you don't have both, you have the risk that you are running behind your competition. So I think that's where one of the keys is basically having the online and offline experience together in a shopping center and being relevant on both sides of the coin.
Okay, good.
Just one comment on that. So we're currently involved in a Swedish shopping center, and in that shopping center there's a tenant who was an online fashion business only. They're called Bubble Room, and they've just taken their first real physical unit in this shopping center. So it's not a big example, but it's definitely an example of the internet coming back the other way. So I find that very positive.